Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this is a video tutorial for the Jefferson Circuit Court clerk on how to add a blog post. So I'm already logged into the system. You can tell because it's got this black band up. So I've logged into the back end, but I'm looking at the front end. The first thing, let me kind of explain the layout of a blog post, the way it's set up on this specific website. It can be set up very differently on different websites. So on this one, let's just go ahead and get rid of the pop-up so it doesn't get in our way. If you scroll down, I've got this section, the latest news showing, and it shows 3 of the latest blog posts. As you grow and you want to show more than that, just come back to me and I can set it up for 6 or 9 posts, however you want. But for now, since you didn't have a lot of posts, we just set it up for 3. If you click on View All, that will actually take you to the news page. On this news page, latest news is all the posts. And as you keep adding, they'll continue to lay out in the same format. So now let's talk about how to add one. If you come up with a news story that you want to add, you can, the first option is you can do it from the dashboard and go to post, add post, or with this version, I'm not sure if it was the same with the version you used to use, you can do a live edit. So up here you can, I think sometimes it's easier just to go up here and hit new post. Okay, then it's going to take you to a blank page. So let's just do test post. You need to add a container, and then you need to just do a 1 column. Then once you've got the container built, you need to add what kind of element, which is going to be, in this case, just a text box, because most of your posts are just going to be text. We're going to try and keep this pretty simple to start. So you hit a text box. And as you can see, it's very much like a Word document or what you're used to working before. So in here, you can do a cut and paste of information from a Word doc. So let me click over here. Let me just open this up. And I think this was for another client, but that's fine. So if you have a Word doc and you just want to copy and then go back to the website and paste, just like that. So there's your blog post. You hit save. Then over here, you're just doing a standard blog post. I won't get into all this. You won't need that. Under categories, you can add a category or can use general news. Right now, I think let's keep it basic and just click general news. I went ahead and added that category for you. Then what you want to do is you want to add a featured image. So let's talk about a featured image. In order for it to line up and look correct, let's go back to the home page and look at the posts. Here, this notice. In order for this to show up, you have to have a featured image. I created this template one in case you don't have a featured image. You can use that, and that's in the back end where the media library is. But let's say you need to go ahead and add a specific picture. You have to resize it for 500 by 400 pixels. So I'm going to actually flip over here to Canva because I think you guys said you use Canva. And I created a 5 by 400 pixel template. So let's just say you're going to upload a photo. Let me see here. Go to upload. You can upload from your desktop, wherever. I'm just going to act like we, have a photo already and we've loaded it. Let's just say it's this picture of a building. So you upload it, you resize it to fit exactly 500 by 400, a rectangle, okay? Then let's go ahead and download this. It's just going to download. I have it set to my downloads folder, but wherever you download to on your computer. It's called Untitled Design 2 Ping. Okay, so now I've got that. I'm going to go back over here to add post. And I'm going to have to set a featured image. So I'm going to have to upload that latest image. If I don't have an image and I want to use the little template thing that I created for you guys, you can just click it. It's right here. And you can see it's 500 by 400 pixels. But I have an image I want to use, so I'm going to hit upload. I'm going to select the file from where I downloaded it from Canva, which should be right here, Untitled Design. Set featured image. It's going to populate right here. You'll see it. And then I'm just going to hit publish. Now what you're going to see is when this publishes, it's going to publish on the home page with the featured image, and it'll also be on the news page. So let's go over to the other side. I'm going to refresh so we can see it. Get off this. And there it is. Now if I hit continue reading, it's going to take me to the actual post itself. Or, let me hit back. I can hit view all, get rid of the pop-up. And there it is, with a little tidbit or an excerpt from it. So that's how you add a blog post. And it'll automatically populate the home page. I'm going to go in here. If you need to delete it, all you have to do is go to the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and delete it because you don't want a test post in there. And I'm going to go to posts, all posts. And you see all the posts that we've made so far. But in here, I'm just going to hit trash. And that's it. So when I go back to the home page, it should be gone. Yeah, it's gone. So that is how you do a blog post. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.